Hello, I'm Rachel Jones, and in breaking news from Kalkine TV, the Reserve Bank of Australia has decided to keep the cash rate at 0.1%. At its meeting today, the board decided to maintain the cash rate target at 10 basis points and the interest rate on exchange settlement balances at 0%. Also, continue to purchase government securities at the rate of $4 billion a week until at least mid-February 2022. A statement by Governor Philip Lowe said the Australian economy is recovering from the setback caused by the Delta outbreak. High rates of vaccination and substantial policy support are underpinning this recovery. Household consumption is rebounding strongly, and the outlook for business investment has improved. The emergence of the Omicron strain is a new source of uncertainty, but it's not expected to derail the recovery. The economy is expected to return to its pre-Delta path in the first half of 2022. Leading indicators point to a strong recovery in the labour market. Job ads are at an historically high level, and there are reports of firms finding it difficult to hire workers. Wages growth has picked up, but at the aggregate level, has only returned to the relatively low rates prevailing before the pandemic. Inflation has increased, but in underlying terms, it's still low at 2.1%. The headline CPI inflation rate is 3% and is being affected by higher petrol prices, higher prices for newly constructed homes, and the disruptions in global supply chains. Housing prices have risen strongly over the last year, although the rate of increase has eased over recent months. Globally, bond yields have declined over the past month due to concerns about the Omicron variant. The Australian dollar exchange rate has depreciated and is around its lows of the past year. The board will not increase the cash rate until actual inflation is sustainably within the 2 to 3% target range. And this will require the labour market to be tight enough to generate wages growth that is materially higher than it is currently. This is likely to take some time, and the board is prepared to be patient. So for now, the cash rate stays at 0.1%. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV for all the news that matters. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.